Answering MCAT questions in under 60 seconds. Which of the following events would result in a change to a protein's primary structure, right? Remember that a protein's primary structure is the specific sequence of amino acids N-terminus to C-terminus connected by peptide bonds, those covalent linkages, right? So if you phosphorylate a specific residue in the protein, that's a post-translational modification. For example, that would be adding a phosphoryl group to like a hydroxyl of a threonine, a tyrosine, or a serine, but that isn't modifying that specific connectivity of amino acids that makes up that primary sequence. So that's wrong, right? Now, a point mutation in the gene that encodes the protein, well, that would change the primary structure potentially, right? Because if a point mutation is when a nucleotide is changed to a different nucleotide in the gene encoding this protein, and that could potentially change the codon such that a different amino acid is put into the primary sequence. So that could indeed change the primary structure. Now, C, binding of an allosteric regulator to the protein, well, that can change the conformation of the protein, so like its tertiary structure, but that isn't changing that connectivity again. So that's wrong. And then D, denaturation of a protein at high temperatures. Well, if you denature a protein, you're causing it to unfold, which could basically disrupt its quaternary structure, tertiary, secondary, but it would not disrupt the primary structure because that is really held together by covalent linkages, which are not broken during denaturation. Now, if it said degradation, like via protease, that would be different, right? But it's denaturation, so that would not change the primary structure. So B here is the best answer.